Virtue Stories is a captivating YouTube channel that aims to uplift and inspire viewers with moral lessons and timeless wisdom. Join us on a journey where each story unfolds with lessons of compassion, integrity, kindness, and resilience. From fables to real-life anecdotes, Virtue Stories presents narratives that touch the heart and encourage personal growth. Our channel seeks to cultivate a positive impact, promoting the importance of virtues in everyday life. Virtue Stories is not only a source of entertainment but also a platform for learning and reflection. We strive to create a community where viewers can engage in meaningful discussions, share their thoughts, and exchange perspectives on the virtues depicted in our stories. Virtue Stories invites you to become a part of our community. Subscribe to our channel and embark on a quest of moral discovery as we unfold the beauty and significance of virtue through captivating storytelling.